Hey everyone, it's Mike with It's Pittsfield Tonight. I am here with Melissa Fawcett, the owner of Ready, Set, Learn. Melissa, thank you again for doing this.
Oh, thank you so much for coming.
And thank you for letting me come down and talk to the kids. That was a lot of fun. They were really cute.
Yeah, kids are great.
They
They
are.
love doing this stuff.
Yes, they were naturals, both of them. Hey everyone, it's Mike. I am at Ready, Set, Learn today with Olivia at 133 Dalton Ave in Pittsfield. Olivia, thank you for doing this today.
You're welcome.
All right. And how long have you been a student here?
20 years.
20 years? Do you think you're going to graduate soon?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite thing to do when you're at Ready, Set, Learn?
Play with my friends.
Really? Did you meet a lot of new friends here?
Yeah.
Do you like coming to Ready, Set, Learn?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about coming here?
Playing and learning with my teachers.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
I have two teachers, Miss Kim and Miss Fawcett.
All right. And how old are you, Olivia?
4.
4. So will you be coming back next year to go to pre-kindergarten class?
Yeah, but I can come right here on every day when it's a school day.
You like coming here that much, huh?
Yeah. I've been coming here. I was at Miss Shelby's, and when I was older, when I turned 3 and 4, I got here today.
All right. And what do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
You don't know? You haven't thought about it? You're still just having fun?
Yeah.
All right, Olivia. Well, I thank you so much for doing this with me today. This was a lot of fun. Can we do this again sometime? All right, you want to say bye to everybody? You can look right into that camera right there.
Bye.
All right. Oh, look at that. I almost wasn't able to get up last time. You think I'm too big for this chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Do you eat here often? No?
Toy kitchen.
I am here with Charlotte. Charlotte is a student at Ready, Set, Learn in Pittsfield, Mass. We're at the Dalton Ave location. Charlotte, thank you for doing this with me today. So, Charlotte, how long have you been going to school here at Ready, Set, Learn?
When it's school day,
Probably 20, 30 years, something like that.
I don't know.
Do you like coming here at Ready, Set, Learn?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about coming here?
My favorite thing is about learning.
Learning?
Yeah, because we get better every day, and we do it every single day.
Do you like winter? Do you like winter or summer better? Which is better?
Summer, because I only like warm days, but sometimes cold days, because not all of the cold days. Guess what?
What?
Christmas feels like quick because we get ready for bed and then go to bed, and then Santa comes, give us presents, and then go back out the door, and then we get awake.
Yes, and then you got all new toys, right?
Yeah.
Did you get a lot of stuff for Christmas this year?
Yeah. We got a toy with 2 people game, and they have 2 hammers, and you can only use 3 coins, and if you don't know how the game goes, other people will just teach you.
You play a lot of games here at Ready, Set, Learn?
Yeah.
What's your favorite game that you play here?
Hide and seek.
Okay, that
Wow.
sounds fun.
Well, we can only play it down in the gym. Also, some people get a little bit too loud, so we can only play it down.
You
As
like
long
having
as-
the gym so you can play inside?
Yeah, only as long as we're quiet because there's a classroom. It's doing the work.
So what do you like better than playing or doing the work? You like doing the school work?
Yeah, and play.
Yeah, you gotta like playing. Well, thank you Charlotte, for doing this. You're a professional, I can tell. You think you might do something like this when you grow up?
Yeah,
Yeah, you want to be on TV or on movies, or what do you want to do?
TV and movies.
You're going to do both? You got to manage that career to do that. You're going to be busy.
I'm going to be busy on both.
All right.
Busy.
Yeah, but that's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. I really appreciate you doing this and taking the time for me out of your busy school day.
You're welcome.
So I wanted to, before I left, I did want to, you mentioned that you have an open house coming up. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we have an open house coming up on February 21st. It's a Saturday. You can come see our Wendell Ave location from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then you can come see our Dalton Ave location from 11 a.m. to noon.
Okay, and the Wendell Ave, the address for that one is?
Oh, 41 Wendell.
Okay, and this one is 133 Dalton Ave?
Yep, 133 Dalton Ave.
Okay, and is there anything, I mean, is it just parents who are looking or inquiring about preschool just to check it out kind of thing?
Yeah, so anybody who might be interested in preschool for the fall, you'll be able to meet some of the staff, tour the classrooms, see the curriculum, learn anything that you might learn, I guess, answer any questions that you might have.
And this would be for the upcoming fall season?
Yes, for September.
Okay, because I'm assuming from what I see, you're pretty busy. So is it would for people looking now? Is now the time to?
Yeah, now's the time to get yourself on a list. So if you aren't sure and you want to view multiple places, the open house is a great place to start.
Okay, so one last time, it's Saturday the 21st.
Saturday the 21st, 10 to 11 at 41 Wendell, 11 a.m. to noon at 133 Dalton Ave.
Okay, well, thank you again, Melissa. And again, it was a lot of fun with the kids. They were little cuties. And I look forward to doing more stuff. We're going to be doing something for Ready, Set, Play coming up.
Oh, yeah.
So-
we're going to do a little video over there.
Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun because that's a whole different environment.
Yep, a whole new ball game, but also a lot of fun.
Yes, so we'll be doing that. So everyone pay attention for that coming up and a bunch of other business stuff I have going. And if you are interested in checking out Preschool, this is an amazing place. The kids love it here, and it's definitely worth checking out. So that open house on Saturday, February 21st.
Yes, February 21st.